Sunset over Witkrans. Actually, the sun's over behind the mountain that side. We're by the hot tub, which is not ready for tonight, but it's, as you can see, a wood-fired hot tub, ready in an hour and a half. No need to lock anything for anything except the baboons here. They haven't learned the trick of unlocking. So, let's take a look around. Fireplace number one. It's Mum in the kitchen over there. One of the Lapa fireplaces. Here's our garage. Bergendal in the distance there, that's the other place, that's our next door neighbour. Cone Bush Cottage, named after the proteas that grow right next door. Sugar bushes and the like. Lapa number two. Looks very cozy. There's one of the fireplaces. Well, that is the fireplace. There's the Weber braai. The gas fire. Cozy lounge. Table. Dining room. Household pot plants. There's Shadow. Shadow! 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 What's he running away from? What a sight, huh? There's the main house. It's one of the cottages over there for guests. That's where the supervisor lives over there. There's Witkrans Koppie, or mountain. Another braai area down below here. It's a bit wet down low down here today. Nice little garden, eh? Let's go look at the house from the front. Podocarpus over there, or yellowwood.
And that was a quick look at Witkrans chalets. Thanks for watching. Please come back soon.